Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through moving your contacts to your Gmail account on your Android phone. To begin, open the Contacts app on your Android phone. Locate and tap the three dots icon on the right side of the screen to access additional options. From the menu that appears, select Manage Contacts. Within the Manage Contacts menu, look for the option to move contacts and tap on it. This feature allows you to transfer your contacts from one source to another seamlessly. Select the desired resource containing the contacts you wish to move. Then choose the Google account, where you want to transfer your contacts. This step ensures that your contacts are securely saved to your Gmail account. Once you've selected the resource and the Google account, tap on Move to initiate the transfer process. Your contacts will now be moved from the selected resource to your designated Google account. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently transfer your contacts to your Gmail account, ensuring that your contact information is easily accessible and synchronized across your devices. Moving your contacts to your Gmail account streamlines your contact management and ensures that your important contacts are always backed up and readily available. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in seamlessly moving your contacts to your Gmail account. Stay connected and organized with your contacts effortlessly.